Hi guys, welcome to Fantastic Adventures with Adhyan. Today we're using the Kids Lab's Volcano Making Kit. I already assembled everything so I could make it fast for you. So you need 280 ml water. Then mix just these two together. I assembled this like this. So let's try. Or a little bit of more water would help a lot. Ugh. One second, I'll come back. My thing is still going. Strainer. Big one. Strainer. Hi guys. So we'll use this just in case. One more second. Glass. Fast. Mama, at this time, put like 1 minute later, 2 minutes later, okay? Okay. I'm back. Turn this. So now put this water in there. Actually, instead of doing that, put the whole thing. This will take so much time. Instead of that, I'll do it easier way. And it happens. Now we have to wait for 30 minutes. Mama, now I have to wait for 30 minutes. No, stop. We'll be back in part 2.